Everyone, welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen with Chef Kelly, and we have some Elk Street tacos.
Yes. I love tacos.
So all kind of your leftover meat you're saying you're gonna do?
Yes, this is, you know, all your scrap meat does not have to go into your hamburger grind. You can use it into your street tacos mix. And I use a pressure cooker called the Instant Pot. There's several other different brands.
I just did a Vanna.
Yeah, right? So I don't pre-sear my meat when I put it in the pressure cooker because I'm going to pre-sear, I'm going to sear afterwards. So,
okay.
Okay. So I just put it in there with about half a can of chipotle peppers and half an onion diced up, about a tablespoon of cumin and salt and pepper, and that's it. And then let her rip, and I leave it for 40 minutes. And it comes out, as you can see, just fall apart. Yeah, it just fall apart tender.
Whereas if you did it in the crock pot, it'd be all day in there to get it like that.
Yeah, you know, so that's why I kind of like...
But it can be done.
Yeah, actually it can be done. If you only have a crock pot, let her go and just put it on low, don't put it on high, because, you know, this is very lean meat, so, you know, trying to rush this thing is not going to get you anything, get a good product out of it, okay? So, but first we're going to work on our sauce. And so, right here I have, I took about 5 New Mexico chilies, and I took the top off, dumped out the seeds.
Are those dehydrated, Chef?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can find these in your major grocery stores. This is a ancho chili. This is also another one. I really like 5 to 1 of these. These are kind of like kind of raisiny texture, but it has it has a nice flavor to it though. So I like adding like 1 of them to like every 5 of these New Mexicos, or Guajillo chilies is another good one choice. So I boiled it and for probably like half an hour, and then I strained it out the liquid, and there you go. That's what's left over right there.
All right.
Okay.
Roasted some.
So, and also roasted my vegetables, and you're going to look at this and go, oh, hey, I mean, you kind of burnt it. Like, no, I'm looking for that. I really want that char. You know, when people say char, that's what we're really looking for. Okay. I kind of really like these guys right here.
Yeah, those look nice.
I'll set aside those guys. Okay, so now we're going to work on our sauce. Hold on a second here. Well, I have it off.
Might as well just do it that way.
Right? Yep. Everybody in the pool. I don't care if you can swim or not. Okay. So, yeah, we'll do all. Okay, you take that and that. Okay. Okay, we're gonna puree that up. Yeah, we're almost there. So we're gonna add.
That's not.
Kind of.
So you kind of keep it a little chunky.
I mean, it depends what you want to go for. You know, if you want to stop right there, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is called RoJo sauce.
RoJo sauce. RoJo sauce.
Not Joe.
Yeah, you wouldn't say San Jose, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, maybe.
All right, so add a little salt, add a little lime. I want it a little smoother.
All right.
Let's do
more lime.
Let's do a little more lime.
So that's like a whole lime now.
Yeah, we're
medium-sized lime.
Medium-sized lime. Maybe just a little bit more salt. Okay.
All right. You're the expert.
Oh yeah.
Good to go?
Okay, go ahead and put that inside there.
Okay.
Take care of that. Okay, so now we're gonna be working on our taco meat. We're gonna get this crispy first. Pan's already hot.
What is it, this one that comes off here? Oops, I just spilled through it. I'm making the mess today.
Can't take her anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to work on our tortillas too. And I do my tortillas 2 at a time. Just like that.
Yeah, so it crisps up the outsides and it steams them in the inside, correct?
Yeah. So we didn't throw away that leftover juice. We're just reusing it. We're going to reduce it down.
And you put a little bit of oil in.
Just a touch of oil.
Tortillas.
Yeah. Awesome. Done.
All ready to go. It takes a couple minutes on there.
30 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, so remember, this is street tacos, so this isn't, lettuce and tomatoes and cheddar cheese, okay?
I'll add my cheese.
Uh-huh.
Yes. That's just me.
And if you wanted to, you could do the double tortilla, style.
Yeah.
If you wanted to do that. I'm more a single tortilla style kind of a guy.
The smells are just amazing. Amazing.
Wow. There we go. Like that. And then just a little bit of cilantro. Where's my onion?
Oh. Where did I put your onion, Chef? I got it.
There we go.
There we go.
Easy peasy, right?
Of course, onion. What was I thinking?
Guys, try some street taco meat. This is easy stuff, and everybody can eat this. Kiddos will love this, and I guarantee you they will never pick it apart and say, "Oh, it's not beef."
Or,
nope.
Ooh, it's elk.
Yeah.
No.
Nope.
I know I'm gonna dig in.
There you go.
Yep, and I'm not sharing today. I'm not. So we'll go ahead and throw it back to you guys in the studio.
Which one's yours?